guys, what's up? It's your boy Nucky, and today I'm giving you some tips and techniques on how to propagate your succulents. So before I start this video, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you never miss when I upload another video. So yeah guys, the first thing we're going to do is go outside, and I'm going to show you what full-grown succulents look like. Then I'm going to teach you how to select which ones you want to propagate. So yeah guys, let's do it. So this is how the plants will look. So yeah guys, this is how the plants will look fully grown. So and like these over here, and all this. And now the ones you want to select are the big ones and the ones that are all the way on the bottom. So for example, like this is right here, right there, you want to take that one off you want to twist it like that, and it should come off. Lay them down carefully in this one. That one. This is what they would look like, right? Like this. And there's a lot of different kinds. So you got this one. Twist it. This one. Twist it. This one. This one in the back right there, and these two right here. And now over here you have different kinds. So if you come over here, you'll see these. You'll see these, and yeah guys, so yeah, these are different kinds of succulents. I call them the red and green succulents. So you're going to want, and these are different kinds. These are like the greeny succulents. That's what I call them. So you're going to take like this one off. Oh, got that one. This one right here. Get it carefully. Don't want to knock down any of the other leaves. And okay, throw that out. You're going to want to get this one right here, right there. You're going to try to get like a lot of different kinds of ones so that you can all grow different ones. Like right here, you got one. And if you see any ugly ones, that does not matter. Like look at this. It doesn't matter because you're going to be growing it. So it might look, so if you see it, you should take it off here, then regrow this one. And I think that's enough. Oh wait, you got this one right here. Yeah guys, so you want to get a lot of different kinds. Well, just take this right here. These are them. Yeah, you want to take this one more, like I'm going to take this one right here. Yeah guys, so now what we're going to do is go back and head back inside. Now I'm going to teach you how to propagate them. So see you inside. Bye guys. Hey guys, so now what we're going to do that we're back inside is what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the succulents. So like for example, this one, as you can see, is very fleshy right there. It's not like a regular leaf. It's fleshy. It's like a boat, sort of, some of them. And right where we pulled it off, right here, the end of it where it's separated, which is where the exposed flesh is where you want it to develop a callus or a scab. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your succulents, leave them on like a plate like this, and put it under your air conditioning to 2 to 3 days. So once the ends are hard and like have a scab and callus, you're going to start rooting. So what you want to need first is Tupperware or a bowl or something, Tupperware, and you're going to need ceramic wrap, a bottle, tape, and under adult supervision, a blade or scissors. What I'm going to use right now is scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to get Tupperware or a bowl or anything. You're going to take the saran wrap and you're going to turn the ball around and you're going to put the saran wrap on a flat surface and stretch it out. You're going to put the ball over that and then you're going to stretch it out and put it over top. So now this is where tape comes in. You're going to tape the top of it like right here. You're going to tape them like this so that it doesn't like fall off or unwrap. And you're going to make sure it's like hard like this. Like, can you hear that? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors and we're going to poke one hole in each, separate by like 3/4 of an inch. And we're going to make 4 rows. And we're going to make 4 rows. And each row should be separated about 1.5 to 2 inches. 2 inches really. So yeah, guys. So you're going to poke out. And what you want to do before you do that is in the middle you're going to poke a hole. And not too big. Just a little wider than a normal one. Like that. So you can put your water in it. You want to make it a little wide. So you're going to take like a water bottle or something. Alright guys. Right there. So you're going to want to have a hole like this big. If you can see. Right there. Right there, guys. So yeah. So you're going to take a hole that big and like in the middle, right there. Like size of your thumb. I mean, your thumb, of course. And what you're going to do is, you're not going to pour the water in first. You're going to poke your holes in. You're going to make sure your scissors are open, because if it is not, you're going to make them too wide. So you're going to poke holes in each one, down one, just 2 inch separate. Alright? Now, just make it a little warm. Okay. Here. Alright, now separate them. You're going. Okay. So that might happen, and you don't want to make it too big. But if that happens, just find a big one like this one and put it in. Don't put a small one, because then it'll drop to the bottom. So, tape. Alright. Let me just move that out of the way. So, alright, so since you don't need tape anymore, or saran wrap, so you have more space, just put these down. Now all you need right now is scissors, succulents, your bowl, and of course your water. Stay hydrated, kids. So now, so you're going to keep poking holes, and I'm going to speed things up. Our holes done. Before we put in our succulents, we're going to take with the hole the size of your thumb in the middle. You're going to take your water bottle. You're going to push them carefully so that the water doesn't roll around on the floor, because I don't think anybody wants that. Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to carefully pour the water. You want to pour it to like about 1/2 inch. So now that you have your water in it, you're going to take your if you made any big holes, you're going to take your most fleshiest succulent, and you're going to take the end where you pulled it out and that has the calluses on it. You're going to put it in that big hole. You're going to push it in about halfway so that it makes sure it's staying up so that it doesn't move around. So now you just do that for every single one. So yeah, guys. Just like this. So now, guys, that we have all our succulents in our propagation tray like this, you want to make sure that they're not touching the water and that they hover about 2 inches above the water. And now, every leaf takes different times. So what's going to happen is roots are going to grow out. And eventually when you see roots growing out, they're going to be touching the water. So you just got to wait, guys. And yeah, that's mostly all of it. So make sure the water is not touching succulents. Make sure the roots do that. And make sure it's hovering about 2 inches above it. And yeah, guys, that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow for part 2 on how to plant them. Yeah, guys, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and yeah, hit that notification bell so you never miss my upload another video. Yeah, guys, out.